about to blow your mind because I'm going to make fudge with candy corn, and it's gonna taste like a Butterfinger candy bar. You're not gonna wanna miss it. You're gonna mix 3 cups of candy corn with 2 cups of white chocolate chips, a cup of creamy peanut butter, not natural, and a can of sweetened condensed milk. Pro tip, make sure you're using fresh candy corn. So go and buy a new bag from the grocery store, or you can use the candy corn that you just had at Halloween if this is like November or December, but don't use last year's candy corn. It's not gonna melt right. Heat that over medium, low heat, stirring constantly until it melts. Now it's gonna take a while for all that candy corn to melt, which is why I said it's really important to use like fresh candy corn, as in not a few years old. It will melt, it's gonna just take a while. So continue stirring, you don't want it to burn. Just stir, stir, stir until you can see it finally does melt and all come together like a fudge mixture. Now before you've started, it's important to have your pan prepared. I lined mine with foil and sprayed it with nonstick cooking spray. You could also use parchment paper. I'm using a 9-inch square pan here. You could also use one that's a little bit bigger, but don't use anything smaller. Let it chill. See how simple that was? Now you could totally coat this in chocolate by dipping it in chocolate. I am much too lazy for that, so I'm just drizzling some chocolate over the top. This is such a great recipe to use up that leftover candy corn that you had in your pantry from Halloween. Gift it for the holidays. It's perfect. This lasts in the refrigerator for several days. You can freeze it. So good. This is such a delicious recipe. You're gonna love it. Subscribe if you don't already. Leave me a comment. Let me know what other fudge recipes you wanna see, and keep watching for even more candy recipes.